So one of the softwares that I'm using for SMS marketing is called GoHighLevel. And in this video, I'm going to show you why this is the best SMS marketing software in 2026. Okay, I will also show you how you can send bulk SMS. Plus, I will also show you a couple of other things. But obviously, if you want, you can try out for 30 days for free GoHighLevel with our link in the description. You also get some freebies, so make sure to check out the full description for those freebies. Okay, now one thing that I really like about GoHighLevel, it's not only an SMS marketing software, it's all-in-one marketing software. Now, when we are looking at this from an SMS perspective, what you have is you have conversations tab right here. So this is where you can track your conversations with your specific users. Okay, so you can view also for your team inbox, so you can add multiple different like team members and you can view their like their own SMS inboxes, which is really great. Now, one other thing that you have is you have contacts here. Now here you can add multiple different contacts. You can add phone numbers for those contacts. As you can see, I have 3 contacts here just so I can show you this, how this works. So these 3 contacts, let's say I want to send an SMS to those 3 contacts. I can send an SMS in a very simple way. I just hit send SMS. And right here, what happens is a windows open up. And this window is essentially a bulk SMS window, as you can see. So I can send SMS to selected contacts. Now, as you can see, I have an action name. This can be like, for example, Black Friday deal SMS. I can enter a phone number. Right now, I don't have a phone number. So in order to get one, I will show you how to get it. You can also pick an SMS template, which is quite great, but we don't have it. So we can go here and we can say something like, hey, and then we can say, hey, first name, hey, like, hey, Tim, hey, Tin, right? Hey, John, hey, Stacy. And then we can do something like, what's up, for example. This is just an example, guys. Now, I also would advise you, if you're going to use GoHighLevel for SMS marketing, because it's such a great software, it gives you a lot of options. So you have send all at once. I would not recommend this if you're sending like hundreds of different not emails, but SMS per day. I would send always in drip mode. Drip mode is essentially you're sending, let's say, 50 messages every, I don't know, 2 hours, right? And then you can set up here, if you want Monday to Friday, if you don't want Saturday on Sunday, if you want, you can check those. You can select the date. So for example, starting at 25th of November, then we can sit here and then we can say, okay, time window optional. We can obviously, this is a time window which is optional. But yeah, we send until they are pretty much gone. So let's say we have 100 contacts. We will send we will send basically 2 times, okay? So yeah, and then you hit send and that's it. Now, how to get a phone number? You essentially want to go to your settings and you want to go to your phone system. And in the phone system, you will need to purchase a phone number, okay? So in phone system settings, you want to click on that. And this is where you will need to enable an LC phone, which is their phone system for a sub account, which is, as you can see, I don't have it right here. So if I switch to my sub account here, let me actually switch it so I can show you that really quick. If we go here, if we go to settings, if we go to phone system, we should be able, yeah, we have phone numbers, as you can see. And under the phone numbers, you have add number, and we can add a phone number. And in here, you can purchase a phone number. Now, when it comes to phone numbers, you will need to verify them. For some, there is no address requirement. For others, there is an address requirement. For example, in United States, if you're watching this from United States, and if you want a United States phone number, you can purchase it for like $1 or $2 per month. You can also purchase it in specific states, as you can see, Michigan, New York, Texas. But if we are going, for example, for Switzerland, you will need an address requirement. So it will need you will need to like verify your address. Okay. In this case, you will need to, obviously, it will be a bit more expensive. In this case, it's not. But let's say we go for Thailand. Let's say this is going to be costing you, as you can see, $25 per month, which is quite a lot. But actually, it's not if you're running a full-scale business. So that's what I wanted to show you. Now, also other things that GoHighLevel has is not just SMS. Obviously, you have a CRM with opportunities here. You can add multiple different opportunities, multiple different pipelines and stuff like that, which is also cool. So right now, if I go and if I refresh this, we'll be able to see this. So we have a couple of pipelines, and then those pipelines are essentially, yeah, my internet today is really not that great. Sorry guys for that. So as I was saying, we have appointments booked, appointments no show, appointments showed, and then paying clients. So we can move those clients in here, move those opportunities in here, and everything is automated. So we can also go and automate SMS marketing through our automations. So let's say we go here and we start from scratch, and we can build automations with a prompt. So you can say something after we contact a specific person, send them an SMS for 7 days, like a follow-up, right? That's something you can do. As you can see right here, we can click lead nurturing, create a 7-day SMS follow-up drip for missed calls. If we hit this, click here, we would be able to create a 7-day SMS follow-up drip for missed calls, which in this case, it will create a 7-day follow-up with our SMS and with our phone number attached, so that everything is working correctly, okay? So this is another really cool feature. I will show you once this is done. As you can see, just a couple of minutes later, we have it right here. So the trigger is missed call. So whenever there is a missed call, we wait for 1 day, we send an SMS, we wait for 1 day again, and we send an SMS, and this is how it goes, right? And you can click on these, and you can adjust the amount of messages. You can write a message with AI, which is cool. You can also enter a phone number as a test, and you can send the test SMS to see how your contacts will receive this. And you can do a lot of different other things. Now, we also covered this on our channel if you want a more detailed look at that. Plus, we also will give away or are giving away free templates for this and free automation. So if you want to get free automation, if you want to try GoHighLevel, click the first link below. We have 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel. And those of you who are new, you're probably going to like the platform because, I'm personally using it for my own business. So that's why I'm also promoting it and covering it in detail on my channel. Okay, so if you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.